Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to scan documents using Adobe Scan. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to scan documents using Adobe Scan, first what you need to do is simply head over and open up your Adobe Scan application, and if you haven't downloaded the app, make sure you download the app through your App Store or your Play Store. Then once inside, be sure to be signed into your account as well. Then once you are on your home screen of the Adobe Scan, in order to scan documents, all you gotta do is just simply tap on the camera icon on the bottom right of your screen, and then once you're inside here on the home screen, simply hold the document right here, and then you can place the document on the flat, well-lit surface and hold your phone directly over the document. Adobe Scan will auto-detect the edges of your document. The next is to capture the scan. When the edges are detected, the app will auto-capture the document, and if auto-capture doesn't work, simply tap on the camera button on the bottom right here and the image will be captured. You can also adjust the corners from here as well by simply dragging it, and then once that's done, what you need to do is, if your document has multiple pages, simply tap on the option that says Add Pages, and Adobe Scan will combine them into one page. Then after scanning, you can enhance the document using built-in tools like crop, rotate, and adjust brightness and color, apply filters for black and white or color, and then simply tap on Save PDF option when finished. Your scan is automatically saved to the Adobe document cloud, and if you're signed in, you can also save via email by simply tapping on the share option and name your PDF for easier organization. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.